everyone. My name is Cindy Huang, and I'm an applied AI transformation manager at Cognition, the makers of Devin, and primarily work with enterprise customers on integrating Devin into their workflows and deploying at massive scale. And so a lot of my job involves looking at consumption analytics. So that's user trends across different organizations, how users are using our product, what users are not using our product, how many PRs are they merging, how efficiently are they using our product, et cetera. So it's really important for me to monitor those trends. And initially, we've built a bunch of dashboards to be able to monitor that data. I've used Devin a lot in my day-to-day workflow in order to automate a lot of that consumption and give me insights and analysis that previously I was doing manually. So I'll show you quickly how I set up some of those playbooks. So this is the homepage of Devin. We have what's called playbooks, which is essentially a set of codified tasks that tells Devin exactly how I like to run a session. So let me just look up my name here and open up the one that I want to show you. So this one, we called it Demi. That's a play on words here. Our team name initially was Engagement Manager, so it's the Devin Engagement Manager. I used Devin actually to write this prompt as well. So Devin is taking context from all of my Slack channels about the customer. It's taking data from Salesforce, our consumption analytics through our databases via Redshift and BigQuery, as well as Granola, all of my notes, Gong, and Notion. It's pulling in all of that context to complement the quantitative data from the consumption analytics with all of the qualitative data and what's going on in the account day to day. So usually I actually have this running every week for me. And so I won't go through all of the details of this prompt, but basically I used Devin to help codify this. And this was what I was previously doing manually. And so it's gathering the context. It has awareness on holidays, so it's going to forecast in the future. So let me know if there's a holiday coming up. So then I expect to see consumption go down, et cetera. I think the good thing here also is that it provides a lot of the insights on what to do and actions to take with the customer, which I can then bring back to them. So I can invoke this using a macro here. The macro that I've selected here is called Demi EM. So if I go back to the app, I will say exclamation mark Demi EM. And then one of my accounts is Citibank, so I'll say Citi, and then just hit enter there. And so I'll spare you the details of letting Devin run here. We won't have to wait for it since I've already run this before. The good thing about Devin is it is an autonomous engineer, and I could even just close my laptop and go home right now, and it would still continue to run in the background. But I will show you the output of what I ran earlier here. And so basically, Devin gives me this HTML output that shows a dashboard of all of the key metrics that I want to look at and insights on those analytics. So how many active users, how many sessions. This is all anonymized, by the way. This is fake data. Consumption, daily consumption trends, where they're coming from, the product mix across different services, opportunities, power users, organizations, and all of this account context as well that it pulls in from Slack. And so this is very actionable for me. Additionally, I have this running on an automated schedule. So basically, if we go to Slack, this is actually running every Sunday for me, and it'll post it into the Slack channel for the deal. So for my customer, it'll post the Slack channel. It has all the headline metrics. You can see it gives me the recommended actions here. You can see here it's sent from Devin Beta. And yeah, this has all the attachments that I just showed. It has all of these recommended actions on what to do given the data. So that going into the week, then I have a healthy set of data and insights that I can then bring to the customer and entertain what the next steps would be to drive expansion across the account. Thank you.